Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we're consolidating again on the daily chart, and this 4230 area continues to be it's a thing. It is a thing. Let's go straight to the hourly, and you can see what I'm talking about. So here's 4230, and it just I can sit here and draw little ovals all day. We can draw an oval, and we can draw an oval about all the times that it's trying to get above 4230, and so far it has not. What was interesting was yesterday we had a very nice short down to weekly pivot in the 9-day, the 4206 area basically. They immediately bought that, and we did too. We're still in the trade from 4210. We've got a runner left. So the 9-day and weekly pivot hold to support on a Tuesday, so early in the week. It would seem to me if they can get 4230 converted, then a move up to the daily upper band, which is the area of 4270 over the next couple of sessions, is not out of the question. There's only so many chances the bears are going to get to turn key areas into resistance and not asserting themselves yesterday, and it was early in the day. It was in the 10 o'clock hour yesterday. Not asserting themselves yesterday down in the 42, 10, 12, 14, 16 area and trying to create a lower low there, getting down into the roundy, and at least trying to get back, into where we were trading and consolidating a little bit on Friday. That's going to come back to bite them, in my opinion. So if the bears are going to overcome that, they've really got to avoid what could be a really nasty expansion out of this hourly consolidation. You can see the Bollinger bandwidth is basically non-existent. You can see how tight the bands are, and it's got potential to lift and go. If they can fight back, and they're still trying to defend this 4230 to 4233 area. If they can fight back, take out the hourly mid-band down at 27, and try to get below daily pivot at 22.5 and stay below and close below, which is more important than closing below is more important than trading below. Okay, we traded down to 06. They can close down there. We closed up here. If they can close at a decent area to the downside, it at least keeps the conversation going into tomorrow, whether or not they're going to pull this back and not be able to do and take out the all-time highs up at 38 and change. Absent that, it's just a matter of time. And it's not that the bears haven't had their chances. They absolutely have. And that's why, it's just kind of a waiting game and a consolidation. We're going to stay. I'm going to keep this runner from 4210. I really have no intention of taking it today. We'll do other trades, but that 4210 runner is staying right where it is. I'm very curious to see just, how this all plays out as we get through the rest of the week. So other key prices today, we talked about hourly mid in the 27 area. Volume weighted average price is 27.61. Proprietary moving average 28.5. 5-minute mid right now is 29.5. So on these little pullbacks, right now they did about 10 minutes worth of resistance at 33. They pulled back to 30. If you're the bulls, you don't want to start trading below 27. And if you do, you don't want to stay there for long, because if you do, then they'll go down, retest that 24 from about 7:30 in the morning, and potentially get down into daily pivot and potentially below. And you don't want to mess with that. So we'll see how this plays out, but it's absolutely advantage bulls today. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.